Mr. Wang, the 360-hour hydraulic oil temperature test is finished, but the oil temperature standard was exceeded by 1.5 degrees.
1.5 degrees, although it's within the safety range, we can't ignore it. Stop the test immediately.
Stop the test? It's just 1.5 degrees. Shouldn't that be fine?
Behind this 1.5 degrees, it could mean the thermal system's design margin has reached its limit. If we ignore it now, it could become a major problem for the customer under more extreme conditions. We must get to the root of it. Stop!
Understood. I'll organize an investigation right away.
Our innovations aren't about meeting data standards. They're about ensuring flawless operation at our customers' sites.